How messy can your drawing space get before you're forced somehow to tidy it up? Well, mine's almost reaching that point now. It's pretty frustrating coming in, trying to clear a space to walk, clear a place to sit down, clear a space to put anything down that I'm not actually drawing on. This is what I'm putting up with now. Is your drawing space messier or cleaner? If you've got one that you think you can beat this, take a photo of it and stick it on my community page as a post there, and we'll share what we have to cope with for our love of drawing. There's just so many different spots at the moment that I really need to sort through, clean through, organize, make so I can find what I want and so forth. Not even the walls are safe. These are all good ideas for videos that, of course, as soon as I stick them up on the wall, I never look at them again. Gosh, it must be a year since I stuck that photo up there. Not even the spot where I sit and literally draw on to record my videos is safe from having things dumped or left on them. It's an uphill battle, I think. Probably the problem is my tolerance of mess is too high. It's too high for my own good. So this is what I'm struggling with at the moment. What's your story? Picture tells 1,000 words, so why not post the photo or just leave a comment. Messier or cleaner? What word describes your drawing space? G'day, I'm Stephen Travers. But remember, of course, whatever your drawing space looks like, however messy it is, make sure you have fun. I'll see you next time. Bye.